We are going to cook almond tea today. It is a very popular Chinese dessert. I'm using 150 grams of sweet almond and 50 grams of bitter almond. Bitter almond is added as it can relieve cough and reduce phlegm. Alternatively, you may use all sweet almond. Soak the almond and a quarter cup of rice overnight. Drain away the soaking water. Rinse and add 2 cups of fresh water. Grind in a blender. Strain using a piece of cheesecloth. Squeeze to ensure that we get all the almond milk out. Repeat and blend a second time using another 2 cups of water. Cook over medium heat. Keep stirring and bring it to a gentle boil. When it starts to boil, add 1 cup of fresh milk. Add sugar to taste. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. Let it continue to simmer for another 2 minutes. The almond tea will thicken as we cook. The consistency of the tea will depend on the amount of rice we use. Add more rice if you want a smoother, thicker, and silky consistency. This is how we like it. It will continue to thicken as it cools. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.